Okay, here we go, how to find the equation of a median. So to find the equation of a median, we need to know what a median actually is. So if we take a triangle, similar to this, a median is a line from one corner to the opposite side that splits it in half. Okay, the important thing here is splits it in half. So if we've got a triangle, let's say ABC, then the stages that we need to go through to work out a median, first thing we need to do is we need to work out the midpoint of the opposite side, and we've got a little formula for that says it's x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So let's call that m for midpoint. That would be sensible. Second stage we do is we work out the gradient between the point where the median is coming from and the midpoint. So in this example here, it's the gradient of BM. And then we're just going to use our y minus b equals mx minus a formula to get the answer. What we're going to put in for the m is the gradient that you've just found. Okay, don't do anything fancy with it, just use it as it is. What we're going to use for our AB point, well, sensible would be to use the one that's the vertex of the triangle. Okay, here's a wee example. So we've got 3 points, P, Q and R. I've drawn a little diagram. Okay, we want to find the equation of the median, and let's go for the median that goes through P and the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay, so I'm going to call that M like I did before, and there it is, splitting it in half. So the procedure. First of all, we need to work out the coordinates of M, which is the midpoint. Now it's the midpoint between between R and Q. So I'm going to use these 2 points here. I'm going to add the x numbers, the 8 and the 4, and half it. I'm going to add the 5 and the negative 3 and half it. So 8 add 4 halved, 5 add negative 3 halved. That's going to give me a 0.61. Okay, so the point M is 6,1. Next thing I'm going to work out is I'm going to work out what's the gradient of PM. Okay, so I'm going to take the y coordinate from P, the y coordinate from M, 4 take away 1, and then I'm going to take the x coordinate from P, negative 2, the x coordinate from M as 6, so negative 2 take away 6, so that's going to give me a gradient of 3 over negative 8. Next stage, I'm just going to move that up a wee bit so I can fit it all in. I'm going to use y minus b equals m x minus a, so that's y take away. Remember what I said, we're going to use the vertex, which is P, so we're going to use the coordinates negative 2, 4. So y take away 4 equals the gradient, negative 3 over 8, x take away negative 2. Remember, when we've got a fraction, bottom times the left hand side, top times the right hand side. So that's going to be 8y take away 32 equals negative 3x take away 6. And if I tidy that up, 8y, bring the 3x over, take the negative 32 over, I get an answer of 8y add 3x equals 26.